No, Harry. The uterus cavity is the cavity in the middle of the uterus that where the baby develops, the embryo and the fetus develop. And then the cervical canal is at the end of it. So at the end of the uterus, the inferior and the narrower part is called cervix. And the last part of the cavity that you have here is called cervical cavity. So cervical cavity is different from the uterus cavity. Definitely.
I thought you said it's the space. The space. That is why.
So the inferior and this one, the
I'm
cervix is
a
the
bit
entryway
confused in
from
the.
Most of them are space.
This
But
is
one
the
of them
uterine
is at
cavity
the
and
end.
this is the cervical.
One of them is in the middle. The middle one is the uterus.
Well, because there's no baby in there, so it's hard to tell. Because I mean,
where, yeah,
This is the uterus cavity.
because unless we're pregnant, it lays flat like that.
Yeah, and this is the cervical cavity.
She's so funny. Yeah, she wants to be pregnant. So.
I really want. So that's why this part is very.
My daughter is as tall as you.
Oh, that's the second one.
I want a second one. My
Okay.
daughter's
No,
almost
I
as
got
big as
worried.
you.
Oh god, she's so funny. Yeah.
Uterus cavity is the upper part, the cervical canal.
That one don't have uterus cavity.
It does, but if you look here, that's,
That's the canal.
can I show?
You are my assistant.
Yeah.
See how it's ridges? It's got ridges. That's the cervical canal, but where the ridges stop is the uterine cavity.
This is my second.
All right. Ready? So uterus cavity, cervix, cervical canal, and this is the vagina. So the whole tube, that muscular tube that you have here is called the vagina. So you can see that the cervix comes into the vagina here. This is vagina. So don't mix it up with the urethra. This is urethra. So in female, urethra and the vagina, which are the canals for reproductive system and the urinary system, are separated. But in male, they share, right? So in female, don't forget that the anterior one is the urethra. That's what you need in the clinic when you are cathetering the patients. This is the urethra and this is the vagina. Vagina is posterior to the urethra. This is vagina. And then the orifice that we have for the vagina to the outside is called external vaginal orifice. So external vaginal orifice is one of the openings that we have in the vestibule. I'll show you the vestibule. So one of the opening in the vestibule is the opening of the vagina. We call it external vaginal orifice. Where my finger is. Yes.
So that means
How
when
long
the
is the
female
vagina?
urinate, it doesn't come out of the vagina,
Oh,
right?
I don't know.
Now, as the educated people, you know that the answer is no.
Kind of a personal
Because
question.
the
I don't
urine
know.
comes from the urinary bladder and comes through the urethra. So you have
Remember,
the
I'm
external
filming.
urethral
I got you on camera
sphincter,
now.
I'm sorry, orifice here, and the external vaginal orifice. What we are talking about, you are in female, you are separate.
taking videos, whatever I said.
That's what he's coming on this
External
video.
vaginal orifice. External vaginal orifice. External vaginal and the vagina in general are the place for the delivery, for the intercourse, and also for the, during the periods. That's a place that the bleeding comes out. But for the urine, it comes through the urinary bladder into the urethra. All right. So urethra, I showed you the urethra. This is the urethra. So make sure that you don't mix up the two. And then, where's the urinary bladder? Urinary bladder, urethra, right? So this is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. You can see the rugae inside the urinary bladder. Why do you need rugae inside the urinary bladder? What type of epithelial tissue you have in the urinary bladder? Proud of this class.
That's you.
Okay, and then the vestibule. So now we are going to talk about the external genitalia in female, right?